मी अविनाश दोडल. माझी मुलगी स्वस्ती दोडल, तिच्यासाठी आम्ही नीटच्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी IIB इन्स्टिट्यूटची निवड केली होती.
हॅलो, मी पल्लवी अविनाश दोडल. मी स्वस्तीची आई आहे. स्वस्ती ॲक्च्युली रिपीटर आहे. लास्ट इयर तिला दुसरीकडे क्लासेस होते, जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल क्लासेस म्हणता येईल आपल्याला. म्हणजे प्रत्येक सब्जेक्टचे वेगळ्या वेगळ्या ठिकाणी ती जायची. ॲक्च्युली प्रिपरेशन तिथे पण छान झालेलं होतं, पण स्वस्तीचा स्कोअर नाही येऊ शकला काही कारणास्तव. पण नंतर आम्हाला ॲक्च्युली तिच्या मोठ्या काकांनी सजेस्ट केलं तिला 1 वर्ष रिपीट करू द्या म्हणून. आम्ही रिपीट बॅच साठी आम्ही इथे शोध घेतला आणि आल्यानंतर खरोखरच म्हणजे IIBचा पॅटर्न जो आम्हाला सांगण्यात आला होता, आम्ही त्यासाठी खूप इम्प्रेस झालो आणि स्वस्तीचं ॲडमिशन IIBला केलं. आणि खरोखरच स्वस्तीचा स्कोअर खूप 180 मार्कांनी जवळजवळ वाढला आणि आम्हाला एक्सपेक्टेड 675 मार्क्स आहेत.
Hello, I am Swasti Dodal. I am a dropper. I gave NEET 2023 in which I scored 495 marks, and in this attempt I had joined IIB for my preparation, and in NEET 2024 I am expecting a score of 675 marks. And I will be talking about how I gave my NEET paper. So basically I gave my paper very strategically and I solved the whole paper very consciously. Like I used to be a little sleepy or a little drowsy during my mock tests, and मेरा concentration थोड़ा vary कर जाता था during my mocks. So whatever mistakes I used to do in my mocks, I tried to not do them again in my paper, and I rectified them also. And very consciously I solved my paper. I enjoyed giving my paper thoroughly. I was really happy. I was really glad. When I came out of the paper, out of the exam hall, I was really glad, and I was expecting a very good score at that time only. I was like कि बहुत अच्छा paper गया है, and the main credit goes to IIB, of course. They helped me prepare really well for all the questions. I did not feel कि ये statement मैंने कहीं देखा नहीं है या फिर ये कुछ नया लग रहा है. Everything was done very thoroughly and very properly. So yeah, thank you IIB for that. And the test series, it was amazing. It was mind blowing. I don't have any words for the test series because I gave around 30 mocks, and the main thing that the IIB management and the staff did was पूरा पेपर डिस्कस करते हैं. लाइक कितने भी घंटे लग जाए, 2 घंटे 3 घंटे, we don't care. We have to discuss the whole paper. Every mistake, every hook and crook in the paper, everything is going to be discussed so that no question leaves out. Because कोई भी probability हो सकती है कि ये question उठा दे, वो लाइन से question आ जाए, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो they never missed out anything, and that was a major plus point in the test series. And similarity तो है कि questions वही आए जो papers में मिले. I did not feel कि कुछ भी मैंने miss out किया है. And difference था कि थोड़ा सा level higher था, which was only beneficial for us. It was not harmful at all. And जब मैं NEET दी, when I was attempting my paper, I felt the questions were really easy, and personally I feel कि the paper was easy to moderate level में. And मुझे chemistry थोड़ा सा difficult side पे लगा, and but overall the paper was easy to moderate. Okay, so in NEET 2023 I scored 495 marks after taking a drop and preparing for it again. In 2024 I am expecting a score of 675 marks, and which I think is a huge leap of 180 marks. And I would really like to thank my parents, my friends, the IIB management, the IIB staff for all they have done for me. And yeah, ending on this note, think NEET, think IIB.